Welcome to day 13 of our new series, 100 Daily Routine English Sentences. Thank you for your amazing participation so far. Your daily practice is the key to your success. Today we're going to talk about a topic that can be stressful for anyone, especially when you are in a foreign country: your health. Picture this. You wake up feeling terrible. Your head hurts, you have a fever, and you know you need to see a doctor, but you're worried. How can I explain my symptoms in English? What if they don't understand me? This fear can make a difficult situation feel even worse. But today, that fear ends. We will learn the simple, clear, and essential English phrases you need to talk about your health and communicate confidently with doctors. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will give you confidence in any health situation. Ready? Let's talk about your health. Part 1. Describing basic symptoms. Let's begin with the most important skill: describing how you feel. These are the basic sentences you need to explain your symptoms clearly. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause, and then I will explain the meaning of each sentence. I don't feel well today. This is a simple, general, and perfect way to start a conversation about your health. I don't feel well is a natural way to say you are feeling sick. I think I'm getting sick. This is a great phrase to use when you are just starting to feel the first signs of an illness. Getting sick shows the process is beginning. I have a high fever. A fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal. Using the adjective high is important to show that it is a serious fever. I have a sore throat and a cough. A sore throat is a pain in your throat. A cough is the action of forcing air from your lungs. These two symptoms often come together with a cold. My head is pounding. Pounding is a fantastic, descriptive verb for a very strong and painful headache. It feels like someone is hitting a drum inside your head. It's much stronger than just saying, "My head hurts. I feel very dizzy." Dizzy is the feeling that everything is spinning around you and you might fall. It's a very important symptom to be able to describe. My stomach hurts. A simple and clear way to describe pain in your stomach area. This is often called a stomach ache. I feel nauseous. Nauseous is the specific adjective for the feeling that you are going to vomit or be sick. My whole body aches. To ache is a verb for a continuous, dull pain. My whole body aches is a very common symptom of the flu. I feel completely exhausted. Exhausted is a very strong word that means extremely tired. It shows that your illness is taking all of your energy. The adverb completely makes it even stronger. Shadowing practice. Describing basic symptoms. Perfect! You just learned 10 new sentences to describe your symptoms. Now, let's practice them in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. I don't feel well today. I don't feel well today. I think I'm getting sick. I think I'm getting sick. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. I have a sore throat and a cough. I have a sore throat and a cough. My head is pounding. My head is pounding. I feel very dizzy. I feel very dizzy. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. My whole body aches. My whole body aches. I feel completely exhausted. I feel completely exhausted. Part 2. Making a doctor's appointment. Now that you can describe your symptoms, you need to call the doctor's office, which is often called a clinic. Let's learn the phrases for making an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor. I'd like to is a very polite way to start your request. This is the perfect opening sentence for your phone call. I'm not a regular patient. If this is your first time calling this clinic, you are a new patient, not a regular patient. It's important to tell them this. I need to see someone as soon as possible. The phrase, as soon as possible, often written as soon as possible, is a clear and polite way to communicate that your situation is urgent. What is the earliest opening you have? An opening or a slot is an available appointment time. This is a great question to find the next available appointment. Do you have any availability this afternoon? Availability is the noun form of available. This is another very natural way to ask about open times. Is it possible to speak to a nurse? If you are unsure if you need to see a doctor, you can ask to speak to a nurse first to describe your symptoms and get advice. I need to cancel my appointment. If you cannot go to your appointment, it is very important to call and cancel it. Can I reschedule for another time? To reschedule means to change your appointment to a different time or day. Shadowing practice. Making a doctor's appointment. Excellent. Now, let's practice these phrases for making an appointment. Repeat each sentence once after me. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor. I'm not a regular patient. I need to see someone as soon as possible. What is the earliest opening you have? Do you have any availability this afternoon? Is it possible to speak to a nurse? I need to cancel my appointment. Can I reschedule for another time? Part 3. At the doctor's office. You have your appointment. Now let's learn some phrases for when you are at the clinic and talking to the doctor. I'm here for my 3 p.m. appointment with Dr. Evans. A perfect, clear sentence to say to the receptionist when you arrive. Here is my insurance card. Your insurance card is the card from your health insurance company. You will almost always need to show this. The doctor will see you in a moment. This is something the receptionist will say to you. In a moment means in a very short time. So, what seems to be the problem? This is a very common and friendly question that a doctor or nurse will ask to start the conversation. The pain started yesterday. Telling the doctor when your symptoms started is very important information. On a scale of 1 to 10, the pain is an 8. Doctors often ask you to rate your pain on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the worst pain imaginable. This helps them understand the severity. Do I need any tests? Tests, like a blood test or an X-ray, are procedures the doctor does to get more information about your health. What is your diagnosis, doctor? The diagnosis is the doctor's official identification of your illness. What treatment do you recommend? The treatment is the plan to help you get better, which might include medicine or rest. Do I need a prescription? A prescription is an official order from a doctor for a specific medicine that you can only get from a pharmacy. Thank you for your help, doctor. Always remember to thank your doctor at the end of the visit. Shadowing practice at the doctor's office. Fantastic! Now, let's practice these final phrases for your doctor's visit. Repeat each sentence once after me. I'm here for my 3 p.m. appointment with Dr. Evans. Here is my insurance card. The doctor will see you in a moment. So, what seems to be the problem? The pain started yesterday. On a scale of 1 to 10, the pain is an 8. Do I need any tests? What is your diagnosis, doctor? What treatment do you recommend? Do I need a prescription? Thank you for your help, doctor. Part 4. Real conversation practice. Incredible! Now that you have learned all these individual sentences about health, let's see how they can be used in a natural, flowing conversation. In this part, I will play both roles of a phone call to a doctor's office. I want you to repeat each line after me in the pause to practice your rhythm and intonation. Let's go.
Good morning, City Wellness Clinic. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you a regular patient here?
No, I'm a new patient.
Okay, I can help you with that. What seems to be the problem?
I think I'm getting sick. I have a high fever and my whole body aches.
I see. We should definitely get you in to see someone. What is the earliest opening you have?
Let me check. We have an opening this afternoon at 2:30 p.m. with Dr. Evans. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. I'll just need to get some information from you. Could you please spell your full name for me?
The final secret. Incredible. You've just mastered 30 essential sentences to talk about your health in English. You are building a powerful foundation for taking care of yourself in any English-speaking environment. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will give you confidence in any health situation is this. Clarity is more important than complexity. When you are sick or in pain, you don't need to use fancy words or complex grammar. You need to be clear. The phrases we practice today, I have a fever, my stomach hurts, I need to see a doctor, are simple but they are powerful because they are clear. When you focus on communicating your symptoms clearly, you will get the help you need, and you will feel more in control and confident. So, my challenge to you is this. For today, I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments below describing a time you felt unwell. Try to use the simple, clear language we practiced today. Join me tomorrow for day 14, where we will start a new topic and learn how to ask for help in many different situations. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.